Welcome to Village Handcrafted Cabinetry's installation training video. In this video, we'll take you step by step through our entire installation process. Following these instructions carefully is essential. It not only ensures a flawless final product, but it also qualifies the project for Village Handcrafted's warranty. The red folder included with every delivery is your roadmap. Always start there and refer back to it during installation. Let's get started. We're going to start by opening our red folder. The red folder contains important job information such as blueprints, trim details, and our appliance specs. Next, establish your laser line, always at the highest point of the floor, with standard base cabinet height set to 34.5 inches unless otherwise noted in the folder. Unpack each cabinet carefully. Remove all foam, bubble wrap, and protective feet from the bottom. Double check all labels. Each cabinet has an assembly number and a room number to guide placement. Next, we're going to identify the starting point for our base cabinetry. This is often a sink, window, center point, or a corner cabinet. Today, we're going to start with the corner refrigerator unit. Set your first base cabinet to the laser line. Scribe to the floor and shim where needed. Add fillers and leave proper openings for appliances as directed. Continue through the entire base run. When setting the island cabinetry, pull your measurements from the perimeter cabinets per the specs in the red folder. Square and temporarily secure your first cabinet and build off of that. Use the ladder system and confirm placement with the homeowner before fastening. Cut openings for plumbings, electrical, and HVAC as required, and always check for radiant floor heat before fastening the cabinets to the floor. Now we're going to start by setting our first upper cabinet. We're going to confirm our measurements and make sure we set it plumb and level. Build out the rest of the run, including the hood and specialty uppers, before finishing the line. Scribe any end panels as needed for a tight fit to the wall. For floating shelves, install brackets or cleats directly into the studs, level them, and scribe shelves to the wall if necessary. Sleeve shelves onto brackets and fasten securely. When installing the decorative hardware, confirm the placement with the homeowner or designer before drilling your doors, fronts, or panels. For appliance panels, follow the instructions included in the red folder. Always install hardware before attaching the panel. Adjust all reveals so they're even and consistent. After reviewing the trim detail sheet in the red folder, we're going to start by hanging our L cleat. Once the L cleat is mounted, we'll hang our backer and crown. Next, install the crown molding onto the backer, tight to the ceiling. Complete the trim with base and toe kick, again following the red folder specifications. For our finishing work, we're going to fill nail holes and miters with the appropriate fill stick. We're going to cover screw heads with fast caps. We're going to vacuum out our cabinetry and install our adjustable shelves. Install your adjustable shelves, making sure the numbered shelves match their designated cabinets. Set shelf pins according to the homeowner's preference. By following these steps and referring to the red folder throughout installation, you'll ensure that every Village Handcrafted install is performed to the highest standard and qualifies for full warranty coverage. Thank you for your commitment to quality craftsmanship.